We call Jackie Chan as 成龍大哥 in Cantonese. Do you know what 大哥 means? In a Cantonese hair salon, you may hear the others call the hairdresser 師傅. Do you know what does that mean? In this tutorial, you will learn a few more common titles in Cantonese. Today, I'm going to introduce 9 common Cantonese titles which can be used without surnames. Number 1. Uncle. We call our uncle, the younger brother of father, as 叔叔. This title is also called. You can find the details of this tutorial on my website. The link is down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.